Hey everyone! Today I want to tell you about cooking dinner. I'm in the kitchen. I see a pan on the stove. I see a pot on the table. I see a knife next to the cutting board. I take an onion from the cupboard. I put the onion on the cutting board. I chop the onion with a knife. I take a tomato from the fridge. I put the tomato in the bowl. I put the onion in the bowl. I take a spoon from the drawer. The spoon is in the drawer. I put the spoon next to the bowl. I put the pan on the stove. I put oil in the pan. I put the onion in the pan. While the onion cooks, I take a carrot. The carrot is on the table. I cut the carrot. I put the carrot in the pan. I stir the vegetables with a spoon. The spoon is in my hand. The pan is on the stove. After cooking, I put the vegetables in a plate. The plate is on the table. I put a fork next to the plate. Now my dinner is ready. The plate is on the table. The fork is next to the plate. Everything is in the kitchen. Do you like cooking? What do you cook in your kitchen? Write in the comments.